Hi and welcome to Addley Precision. I'm Mike and this is the Articulating Gun Vise. It provides a very rigid mounting platform for your firearm for whether it be cleaning, mounting of optics, or smithing of any kind. It's got a strong locking knob on the bottom. It provides 270 degrees of tilt in any direction, as well as a full 360 degrees of rotation. Accessories available for the vise are the Vise Adapter Block. Converts it to accept any one of our magazine adapters. The magazine adapter is a solid aluminum mock-up of the firearm's magazine. It's available in the Lee Enfield 303 British, the AR-15, as well as the CZ858, and also available for the SKS. The magazine adapter provides a super convenient pedestal for working on your firearm while still allowing you to operate the action. Alternatively, you may opt for the included barrel block and outrigger support. This setup secures the barrel of the firearm while offering additional freedom around the action, magazine, and trigger assembly. Check out our website, addleyprecision.com, for these products and more.